How to recover Project Sekai account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let me head over to my Safari. Here in the search bar, what you want to do is search for Project Sekai support. It will land you on this interface. Different sites will be available to you. You can simply head over to the very first site. It will redirect you to this page. Scroll all the way down and this interface will pop up. You will need to fill up some of the information of your Sekai account. The very first thing you want to do is to enter your email address and then select the inquiry form. In the inquiry form, you need to select account recovery. And then in the description box, you need to enter the problem that you have been facing in the account. So what you can write is, please help me recover my account. And then you have to include your username, your contact information, and also your email address. Once you have entered all of them, click on submit at the bottom. The report will be successfully sent. And within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you. And then your Project Sekai account will be recovered successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can recover your Project Sekai account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.